The night before your most stressful meeting, your skin breaks out. Coincidence? There's no such thing. During exam week, your eczema flares. After a difficult breakup, your psoriasis comes back. We call it stress and move on. But the biology behind it is far more interesting. Before you were born, before you had a face or a single thought, you were just a handful of cells, and from those cells, two things developed simultaneously: your brain and your skin. They separated, but they never stopped talking. A comprehensive 2025 review analyzing 159 studies confirmed this. The conversation between your brain and your skin runs 24 hours a day in both directions. Under stress, that conversation becomes a storm. When your brain perceives a threat, whether it's a real danger or just a hard day at work, an alarm goes off. Within minutes, one hormone floods your bloodstream: cortisol. Cortisol was designed for short-term crises. It keeps you alive, but when it stays elevated for weeks, months, it quietly begins to dismantle your skin from the inside. The barrier that protects your skin breaks down, moisture retention drops, healing slows, structural proteins decline. Skin under chronic stress is like a defense system that's been working overtime for too long and is finally starting to fail. But cortisol is only part of the story. Your skin is covered in thousands of nerve endings. When stress hits, those nerves release their own chemical signals directly into the skin. Think of it this way. Your brain sends out an emergency broadcast. The nerve network in your skin picks up that signal and responds locally. The result: immune cells buried in your skin begin to fire. Inflammatory molecules flood the tissue: swelling, redness, itching, burning. Stress breakouts are real. Now here's where it gets more interesting. Because this isn't a one-way relationship. When skin stays inflamed long enough, it starts sending signals back to the brain. Inflammatory molecules produced in the skin enter the bloodstream, and under chronic stress, they reach the brain. Once there, they interfere with the systems that regulate mood, motivation, and resilience. This is why depression and anxiety rates are significantly higher in people with chronic skin conditions, not only because living with a visible skin disease is hard, though it is, but because the inflammation itself has neurological effects. Your skin isn't just reacting to your mental state, it's shaping it. The loop works like this. Stress inflames the skin. Inflamed skin signals the brain. The brain generates more stress, and the cycle continues until something breaks it. In the next videos, we'll go deeper into each condition: psoriasis, eczema, acne, alopecia. The same mechanism runs through all of them. Tell us in the comments which one you want to see first, and we'll go there next. Your skin has been trying to tell you something. This is Shadow Atlas.